Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view, take here a circle command. From this center point, make here a circle of diameter 65 mm. From same center point, we'll construct here a circle of diameter 40. Okay. Now take the line command. Make one line like this. One here, the joining line, and one here. Now go to tangent constraint. Select this profile, select this line, select this profile, and select this line. Okay. Now here, go to the fillet command. Take here fillet radius of 20 mm. Select this and select this, select this and select this. Okay, exit. Now go to dimension. From center point, the center point of this fillet here will be at 45 mm. Okay, and here select this point and select this. This will be 40 mm. Similarly, select this center point and select this. This will be also 40 mm. Okay. Now here, take the line command. We are going to construct a keyhole or a key slot. So we will make a slot profile here at inner circle. Go to dimension. Select the center point. Select here. Give dimension of 25 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center. Select here this center. Okay. Now here, go to dimension. The dimension of this will be 5 mm and escape. Now go to trim command. We will trim this inner profile. Okay. So this will be the final profile. Finish sketch. Here go to extrude. Select this profile. Take here extrude of 65 mm. Okay. This will be single side extrude and press OK. Now here go to extrude 1. Select sketch 1. Turn on the visibility. Go to extrude once again. Select this profile and this time we will take extrude of 25 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Now select sketch 1. Turn off the visibility. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Now we are going to generate the whole profiles. Okay. Go to point command. Drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point. Similarly, drag this and center point. Now finish sketch. So we have 2 points here for the circle. So we will select here the whole command. Okay. So here we will take hole of simple hole and here we will take sheet of counter bore. So this will be a counter bore type hole. The top dia here will be of 40 mm. Or we will take it as 25 mm. Okay, and the depth will be of 6 mm and the bottom dia here will be of 15 mm. Okay, so you can see the counter bore profile here. Press OK. Now here go to part 1. You have constructed this profile, this profile. Now we are going to construct this pattern profile. Okay, go to part 2. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here, take the circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 150. Okay. Now make one circle here of diameter 25. From same center point, make diameter 40. Okay. Now here, escape. Select this circle, make it construction. Go to line command, make one line here, escape, go to line command once again and make one line from here to here. Okay, and escape. Now go to parallel constraint here, select this and select this. Okay, so these both are parallel to each other. Now go to line command. From the center point, I'll match this center point and escape. Select the center line, make it select construction, go to line command and make here on straight line. With this will be the center line. Escape, select this line, make it construction. Now go to dimension. The angle between these two lines here will be of 60 degrees, sorry. Now go to parallel constraint once again. Select this line and select this center line. So these both will get parallel to the center line. Okay. Now here escape. Now we will drag this line till this circle and here also. Now go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point and here select this point and select the center. Okay, and escape. Select this yellow profile, make it construction. Select this yellow profile, make it construction. Okay, now here it is moving. So here go to coincident, select this point, select this. Okay, now this is constrained. Escape. Now here you can see this is moving inside. Okay, finish. Go to extrude. Okay, now here, okay, we want extrude at 5 mm from this face. So here we will redefine this. So we have to make first the plane. Go to plane, go to offset from plane. Select this face, take here offset of -5 mm. So a new plane will be generated at -5 mm. Okay. Now we have constructed this sketch first. So I'll drag this, just click here and drag it down. So this will be the next command after the plane. Okay. Now select the sketch 3, right click and click here on redefine. Okay. So it will ask you on which plane or which face you want to define the sketch. So I'll select this plane. So the sketch will move completely to this plane. Okay. Now go to extrude command, select this profile, flip the direction to downside. Here the extrude will be of 20 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take a circle command at this center point, make a circle of diameter 15. Okay. And from the same center, make here a diameter of 25 mm and escape. Okay. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Here we are going to take asymmetric extrude. Top side this will be of 5 mm and this bottom side will be 25 mm. Okay, 20 will be this distance and 5 mm will be outside. Okay, now press OK. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now I want to pattern this hole. I'll take the home view. Now for pattern, we'll select here the circular pattern. We'll select the extrude 3, extrude 4, go to rotation axis, select this profile. Here it will ask you the count. We'll take here a count of 3, 360 degree angle and OK. Okay. Now here we are going to give the fillet. Go to fillet command. Take here a radius of 2.5 mm. Go to edge selection. Here we will select this edge, this. Okay. This top edge, this edge. Or it is giving some error. So I'll deselect this first and we will deselect this also. Okay, so we'll select the top edges first. Similarly here, here and here. Okay, similarly the bottom. Rotate here also, here, here, rotate here, 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 and I'll rotate it once more and here. Okay, select this, okay, select this face also, this and this. Now press OK. Okay, so this will be the final output. Now I'll define the appearance. So I've taken here the yellow color, so I'll take here the canary. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.